Valentine's Day is one of the most special days of the year. You can spend this day making life special for the one you love. This year, I wanted to make an extraordinary cake for Valentine's Day. We have some amazing bas relief mats, perfect for creating interesting textures on your cake. I decided to use the fisherman's rib mold to create a knitted look. I brushed my mold with cornstarch and pressed my light grey coloured fondant into the mold, rolling it and cutting it so it looks just perfect. You can place your mold in the fridge or freezer for a few minutes just to firm up the fondant, and then you simply peel it out of the mold. It's amazing. I successfully made a few knitted patterns and attached them to my cake using royal icing. I then cut the excess off the top. Next, I wanted to make some red fondant because it is, after all, Valentine's Day. I used some red So Intense food colour on my leftover grey fondant to create this gorgeous red colour. A nice tip to know: roll your fondant into a ball and cut it in half. If you see a solid colour, you have successfully kneaded your colour into the fondant. If you still see stripes, the colour isn't fully incorporated yet. Then I used my red fondant with the woven rope mold and created some awesome hearts using our cookie cutters. I did the same thing with the grey fondant. Then I used red fondant to make rope-like strips with the rope bas relief mold. Then I repeated the process with grey fondant until I had many fondant ropes. I then used royal icing to attach my grey ropes to the top of the cake. It just finished everything off, and then I repeated the process at the bottom of the cake. I started assembling my hearts on the cake with melted white chocolate. White chocolate is an awesome glue as it sets quickly, and I always use it for embellishments. I've further decorated the cake with ropes and many more hearts. In this process, remember that it's important to just have fun. I also attached some hearts to wooden sticks with chocolate and later added them to the top of my cake. I hope this inspires you to make an amazing and mind-blowing cake for your loved one. Happy Valentine's Day!